I bought and tested these products so you don't have to waste money. If you're like me, you want a kitchen that not only looks great, but functions flawlessly. Range hoods can make or break your cooking experience, so let's dive into the top 5 range hoods that will elevate your kitchen game.
Product number 1. Broan NuTone 41001 Non-Ducted Range Hood. When I first installed the Broan NuTone 41001, I was immediately impressed by its sleek white design. It measures 30 inches, which fit perfectly under my cabinet, and I loved how it brought a modern touch to my kitchen. The installation was straightforward. I had it up and running in no time. The non-ducted system was a game changer for me, as I live in an apartment where vented outside isn't an option. I cranked it up while frying some chicken, and I was amazed at how well it managed smoke and odors. The 2-speed fan allowed me to adjust the airflow based on what I was cooking. On low, it was a gentle hum, but it kicked into high gear when I needed it to. The LED lighting was another highlight. It illuminated my stove area brilliantly, making meal prep much easier. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, its effective charcoal filter ensures that all the grease and odors are trapped, and it's easy to replace, a definite win for maintenance. Plus, the separate light control is a thoughtful feature that lets you keep the light on without running the fan. However, the airflow capacity of just 1 CFM might not be sufficient for larger cooking tasks, and the fact that it doesn't come with a bulb was a minor inconvenience. Still, it's a reliable and affordable choice. So why should you buy the Broan NuTone 41001? If you're looking for an efficient, stylish, and easy-to-install range hood that works seamlessly in a smaller kitchen, this is it. It strikes the right balance between functionality and aesthetics without breaking the bank.
Product number 2. Bree Portable Range Hood. The Bree Portable Range Hood is something I didn't know I needed until I used it. At first, I was skeptical about a portable model. I mean, how powerful could it be? But let me tell you, this little unit packs a punch. With its compact dimensions of 8 by 6.5 by 14.5 inches, I could easily set it up on my kitchen counter without it taking up too much space. I was especially drawn to its 5-layer filtration system, which plays a crucial role in keeping the air clean. I decided to test it during a weekend cook-off with friends, frying up some shrimp and sautéing vegetables. The 3-speed settings allowed me to fine-tune the extraction power, and I was pleasantly surprised by how quietly it operated, even at high speed. Now, let's weigh the pros and cons. On the plus side, its plug-and-play feature means no installation hassles, which is perfect for renters or anyone who doesn't want to deal with ductwork. The built-in oil collector is also a game changer, capturing grease effectively. However, it requires regular cleaning to maintain its performance, and some users might find the noise level at maximum speed a bit louder than expected. But honestly, for the power it delivers, I was willing to overlook that. Why invest in the Bree Portable Range Hood? If you live in a small apartment, RV, or simply want an extra layer of smoke protection during indoor BBQs, this is an excellent choice. It's versatile, powerful, and makes cooking a much more enjoyable experience.
Product number 3. Firegas 30-inch Range Hood.
The Firegas 30-inch range hood was a breath of fresh air for my kitchen renovation project. As I was setting it up, I appreciated its durable stainless steel construction, which felt robust and would withstand the rigors of daily cooking. Measuring 30 inches, it fit snugly under my cabinets and brought a modern flair to the space. During my initial test, I cranked up the 300 CFM exhaust fan while preparing a spicy curry. I was genuinely impressed by how quickly it cleared the air, and the 2-speed settings allowed me to adjust based on the cooking activity. On the pros side, this range hood is easy to install, and the rocker button control is intuitive, making it user-friendly. The multi-layer aluminum filter works wonders at trapping grease, and even after heavy use, it remained easy to clean. However, I did notice that it's hardwired, which might not be ideal for everyone. Also, while it performs well, its noise level can reach up to 57 decibels, which is something to consider if you prefer a quieter kitchen environment. Why should you choose the Firegas range hood? If you're looking for a reliable, efficient solution for a mid-sized kitchen, this model offers excellent performance and a sleek design. It's hard to beat the value it brings at its price point, especially for those who love to cook without the hassle of lingering odors. Product number 4. Comfy CVU30W4AST Range Hood. The Comfy CVU30W4AST caught my eye for its unique blend of modern design and functionality. I love that it offers dual installation modes, allowing me to switch between ducted and ductless operation as needed. The stainless steel finish not only looks great, but is also easy to keep clean, which is always a bonus in my book. When I first fired it up, I was pleased to find that it operates quietly, even at the highest setting. The 3-speed exhaust fan is versatile enough for all my cooking needs, from simmering sauces to grilling meats. Now let's break down the pros and cons. On one hand, the 5-layer reusable aluminum filter is brilliant. It's easy to detach and dishwasher safe, so I don't have to worry about it losing efficiency over time. The LED lights provide ample illumination when I'm cooking, making my kitchen feel welcoming. However, on the downside, some might find its airflow capacity of 100 CFM on the lower side, especially for heavy-duty cooking. Additionally, installation took a bit longer than expected, but the user manual was helpful. So, why should you consider the Comfy CVU30W4AST? If you want a stylish yet efficient range hood that's adaptable to your cooking style, this is a fantastic choice. It offers reliability, ease of maintenance, and an elegant look that complements any kitchen. Product number 5. Zomagas 30-inch Under Cabinet Range Hood. The Zomagas 30-inch Under Cabinet Range Hood was the last piece of my kitchen puzzle. Right out of the box, I could see that it was built with quality in mind. The brushed stainless steel finish is not only attractive, but also easy to clean, which is crucial for anyone who loves to cook. Installation was straightforward, and I appreciated the rocker button control for its simplicity. I decided to put this hood to the test during a family dinner where I was whipping up a feast. Its 280 CFM suction power effectively removed smoke and odors, allowing us to enjoy our meal without any lingering scents. On the positive side, the 3-layer grease filter does an excellent job at capturing particles, and I found that it's easy to maintain. The LED lighting is bright enough to make cooking tasks easier and doesn't add much to the energy bill. However, I did notice that while it's efficient, the noise level can be a bit higher than expected, especially at full power. Also, it's important to note that the junction box isn't included, which is something you'll need to purchase separately. So why should you buy the Zomagas range hood? If you're looking for an efficient, stylish addition to your kitchen that won't take up too much space, this is an excellent choice. It offers reliable performance and a sleek design, making it versatile enough for any cooking style.
In conclusion, choosing the right range hood can transform your cooking experience. Each of these 5 options brings something unique to the table, whether it's efficiency, style, or ease of use. I hope this deep dive helps you find the perfect match for your kitchen needs.